This is not a test. On April 14, 2087, multiple unidentified blocks are falling down from Earth. These blocks can cause lots of damage in one fall. Number blocks are falling everywhere on Earth. Please stand by. TV and radio stations will get destroyed until further notice. Please read the instructions. People were killed because the blocks chomped them. Do not seek shelter even with hard shelters. They may destroy your shelter. Do not stay in your house. Do not look up. Do not find an airport. Lots of the blocks are falling and the airplane may crash. Do not find spaceships. They will easily get destroyed. Find obsidian places immediately. Not call any people to find you. They will get killed. If we find you in outside when it starts, you'll die. Get food and water within the next 6 months. Have good times.
Cross